Prabha Sahu. Welcome you all to SNEPS Biology. In the previous video lecture, we have discussed the chemical components of the plasma membrane, in which we got to know that the plasma membrane is made up of two lipid layers and surrounding the two lipid layers present the protein. Okay. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the lipid layers in details. Okay. So, we know that there are two lipid layers. That's why it is called as lipid bilayer. Okay. And the plasma membrane's main constituent is the lipid bilayer. Okay. So, let's consider the structure. This is the structure of a lipid. Okay. This is the head, which is hydrophilic or polar, and these are the tails, which are hydrophobic or non-polar. And due to both hydrophilicity and hydrophobicity, the lipid is called the amphipathic molecule. It is an amphipathic molecule. Okay, clear? If we consider the structure of lipid, the arrangement of lipid in the plasma membrane, the lipid bilayer is, the organization of the lipid bilayer is held by the hydrophobic interaction. Okay, and the head is always, the head of the bilayer always face towards the extracellular or the intracellular aqueous space or phase. Okay, and the tail face towards each other. Clear? Now, considering the molecular structure of lipid, the lipid can be phospholipid, glycolipid or sterol. Okay, and in this video we are going to discuss about the phospholipids only. Okay, the structure of phospholipid and how they are arranged. Okay, so considering the phospholipid, it consists of 4 components. And what are those components? The first one is alcohol. The second one is phosphate. The third one is another alcohol, which can be glycerol or sphingosine. And the last one are the 2 fatty acids. Okay. If we consider the arrangement, then there is phosphate group. Okay. And attached to the phosphate group on either side present the alcohol. One alcohol is attached to the phosphate group and another alcohol is attached to the phosphate group as well as to the fatty acids. Okay, this is the fatty acid. Okay, clear? And this alcohol can be your glycerol or sphingosine. And accordingly, the phospholipid can be of 2 types. The first one is glycerophospholipid or the phosphoglyceride, whereas the other one is the sphingophospholipid. Okay. Now, let's consider the glycerophospholipid. Okay. So, this glycerophospholipid has an alcohol which is attached to the phosphate group. Then, another alcohol is the glycerol. Okay, which is attached to the phosphate group as well as to the 2 fatty acids. Okay, so if we consider the structure, then this alcohol is the glycerol. Okay, clear? And according to the alcohol, that is attached to the phosphate group. The phosphoglycerides are of different types. For example, if this alcohol is choline, then that kind of phosphoglyceride will be known as your phosphatidyl choline. Okay. And if this alcohol is serine, then that kind of phosphoglyceride is known as phosphatidyl serine. And this phosphatidyl choline is also known as your lecithin. You all know about lecithin. Okay, clear? Now, comparing the phosphoglyceride and the sphingolipid, the phosphoglycerides are the most abundant phospholipid which are found in the plasma membrane. Okay. Now let us discuss about the sphingophospholipid. So in sphingophospholipid, the alcohol which is attached to the phosphate group as well as the fatty acids is the sphingosine. And this sphingosine is what kind of alcohol? It is an amino alcohol. Okay. And this amino group is attached to the fatty acid through the amide bond. Okay. What kind of bond is this? This is the amide bond. In case of sphingolipid, remember that. Okay. Clear? Now, in animal cell, mainly there are 4 types of phospholipids found. So, let's discuss about them. So, the first one is the phosphatidyl choline. The second one is phosphatidyl serine. The third one is the phosphatidyl ethanol amine. And the fourth one is the sphingomyelin. These 4 phospholipids are abundant in case of animal cell. Okay. So considering the sphingomyelin, this sphingomyelin is the sphingophospholipid which is found in the myelin sheath. Okay. Clear? And this is the most abundant sphingolipid molecule. Okay. And its structure consists of phosphocholine and ceramide. Okay. And besides these 4 phospholipids, another phospholipid is present, that is your phosphatidyl inositol. Okay. Clear? So the head of the phospholipid molecule can have no net charge, or the net charge is 0, or it may have net negative charge. Okay. This 0 net charge or the negative net charge is considered only at neutral pH. Okay. When the net charge is 0, okay, or there is no net charge, then that is due to the phosphatidyl choline and the phosphatidyl ethanol amine. Okay. And this negative net charge is due to the phosphatidyl serine and the phosphatidyl inositol. Okay. Clear? Phosphatidylinositol. Okay. So, in a lipid or in a phospholipid, the hydrophobicity of tail is due to the fatty acids, because fatty acids are present in the tail and the tail is hydrophobic or non-polar in nature. Whereas the hydrophilicity is due to these 3 groups: the alcohol, phosphate and another alcohol which is attached to the phosphate as well as with the fatty acids. Okay. And remember the name of the bond, that is the amide bond. I have said something wrong. That is the amide bond is is connecting the amino group of the alcohol with that of the fatty acid. Okay, the bond between the amine group of alcohol and the fatty acid is the amide bond. Okay, clear? In the previous I have said that the phosphate group and the alcohol are joined together by the amide bond, but that's wrong. The alcohol, the amino group of the alcohol and the fatty acids are joined together by the amide bond. Okay, clear? So this is all about the phospholipid of the lipid bilayer. Okay, so in the next video we are going to discuss about the glycolipids and the sterol. If you are liking my video, then hit like. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon next to the subscription button so that you can get all the updates from us. Your subscription really matters because it motivates us and helps us to make more and more videos for you. Okay, and ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, हमें encourage कीजिए, और अगर कोई डाउट है तो वो कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल दीजिए, हम लोग उसका आंसर देने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे. ओके, वी विल डेफिनेटली आंसर योर क्वेश्चन. ओके, थैंक यू.